Good morning. I am the consultant psychiatrist in this hospital, and I'd like to talk to you about your difficulties and the reasons you have come here. I hope you're comfortable.
Okay.
So can you tell me where are you from and where do you work? What do you do?
I'm from Bangalore. I was working in a company, but last 6 months I'm not working. I lost my job.
Oh, sorry to hear that. So you must be feeling upset by that. Can you tell me the circumstances surrounding it? What happened?
The company was having a lot of financial problems. Started laying off people. Among them, I was one of them.
So please tell me, how have you been feeling lately?
I'm very upset. I feel sad. Again, I don't feel like doing any work. I feel very I feel like I don't have energy. I feel tired most of the time.
Can you tell me a little more about it? How has been your mood in the last 1 week? Most periods of the time, how has been your mood in the last 1 week?
I feel sad. Again, as I said, like, I don't feel like doing work anytime. I'll be like lying down, doing nothing.
So generally, how do you spend your day?
I don't do much anything. Like I'll be sitting in or just lying down watching TV. But even while I'm watching TV, I feel like I'm not cleanly like looking what I'm looking. I just keep on changing channels and everything. I just feel very upset about what is happening.
So does that worry you? Do you get any kind of thoughts that come to you repeatedly?
Why is this happening? What happened to my life?
So what bothers you the most?
It's much like again, I feel like what is happening to me. Nobody like, is there any future? Again, it starts off like, what about my future and everything.
Do you worry about your job and what will happen next?
That's what I do.
Do you think that with your education and qualifications and your experience, do you think you will be able to get a job again?
I don't know. I feel like I don't have a chance. There's a lot of people over there. I feel like I'm becoming a burden to my family and everything. That's what I feel.
So when you feel low, do you also get thoughts such as that life is not worth living, that you should end your life? Have you been getting such kind of thoughts?
Actually, I'm getting those thoughts. I feel like doing something, but I'm not able to do it. I feel like
How frequently do they happen? These thoughts, how frequently are they coming to you?
there are a couple of times that has happened. At least in last, let's say 1 week, at least I have 3 times at least I got that thought.
And how intense were these thoughts? Do you think that any time that you would act on these thoughts?
Felt like acting on once, but try to control myself.
But other than that, say in the last 1 month, have there been moments when you've been able to cheer yourself up? Have you felt happy at any time at all?
It's like my friends are trying to help me out, or at least let's say my brother or family members are trying to help. But I don't feel like I'm not feeling like I should be happy or cheered or something.
Okay. And how has been your sleep in the last 1 week?
It's been disturbed, so it's been disturbed. And now, like when I go to bed, it starts feeling like something get anxious, and again I'm not able to sleep. Start worrying about my future and what has happened to me in the last 6 months. I lost the job, so again those worries comes in.
Okay. And how has been your appetite? Have you lost any weight?
Significant, but I'm not able to eat quite well after all since last few days or something. Weight loss, I'm not sure, but I feel like I'm started losing something.
So these periods you told me in the night that you're not able to sleep and you get a lot of these worries. At that time, do you also feel very anxious? you get certain experiences. It is your heartbeat starts, your heart beats very fast, your whole body is trembling or shivering. Do you have any such experiences?
Sometimes, otherwise it's not there. I feel for sometimes, and again it's more of worry that happens. Again it goes. It will be there for some time. I'm not sure. Like I have not noticed so much of details.
And are there periods when you get a lot of thoughts repeatedly in your mind and you feel that these are very senseless thoughts and they're coming without any reason?
Can you give some example?
Like for example, when you are alone and you get these thoughts which, for example, after washing your hands, you feel as if your hands are still dirty and you need to go and wash them repeatedly again and again and you're not satisfied till you do it.
No, nothing of that sort. I don't think I don't get any senseless thoughts.
You told me that you've been feeling quite stressed out lately and you're feeling very low. Does that make you try any substances, for example, alcohol or nicotine?
I don't smoke, but drinking, I have social drinker. Once in a while with some friends.
Has that increased recently?
No, sir.
Have you had any strange experiences recently in the last 1 week, which is something unusual or out of the ordinary?
I'm not sure what you're asking. Can you elaborate on?
For example, there are times when you feel as if the whole environment around you has changed or you have changed in some way.
No, sir.
The environment around you is very unreal. You have those kind of experiences.
No, sir. I haven't experienced that, sir.
Or have you experienced sometimes that when you're sitting alone and there's nobody around you, you still feel as if you are able to hear some voices who are talking to you or who are criticizing you in some way?
No.
Or do you get thoughts about people? When you look at people, you feel that they are talking about you or you feel as if somebody is trying to harm you in some way?
My family, they are supportive and caring and everything, but I'm not sure with the strangers. I haven't felt anything that's all.
Or do you said that you've been feeling like as if you're a burden on the family. Do you get thoughts as if you made some grave mistake and that you should be punished in some way?
No, I haven't done any mistake.
So all these difficulties that you've been facing, you told us about. Why do you think that these are happening to you? Do you think that it could be an illness?
I have not felt so much sad in my entire life. There must be something wrong with me.
Would you like help to deal with this? Would you be willing to take any treatment for this?
Yes, I really want to take it.
Now I'll ask you some questions, test your mental abilities like your ability to concentrate and your memory. Just try and understand the questions and try and answer them as well as you can. Okay. Can you tell me what time of the day is it now?
So, evening, around 6:45, 7.
Can you tell me what is the date and date today?
Date is today is around 6th of August 2015. Day is today is Thursday.
And can you tell me which place this is? Where are we now?
We are in the hospital.
Now I'll give you a sequence of numbers. So you have to listen to it and repeat it back to me as after I have said it. Okay, for example, if I say 2, 5, you have to listen to it and repeat the same back. Okay. Now listen to them. 7, 4, 9.
7, 4, 9.
8, 5, 2, 7.
8, 5, 2, 7.
2, 9, 6, 8, 3.
6, 9, 8, 3.
Now I'll give you a few numbers. You listen to them and tell them to me in the reverse order. For example, if I say 2, 5, you have to listen and say 5. 1, 7, 4.
4, 7, 1.
5, 2, 9, 7.
7, 9, 2, 5.
6, 3, 8, 5, 1.
1, 5, 8, 3, 6.
Now I'm going to give you 3 words. You listen to them and repeat those 3 words back after I have told you. Okay. Try and remember them, and I may ask you to repeat them after some time again. Okay. Blue, lotus, apple.
Blue, lotus, one more thing, apple.
I'm going to give you a pair of words. Okay, you have to tell the differences between them.
Differences.
What is the difference between a stone and a potato?
Potato is vegetable that we eat. Stone is non-living, just used to some build or some play things. That's it.
Now you have to tell me the similarities between these two pair of words. Bird and aeroplane.
Both can fly.
Can you tell me any proverb that you know?
I can't remember. Sorry.
Do you know this proverb? All that glitters is not gold. Can you tell me what is the real meaning of this?
Not sure, but probably it's not. Everything is not same what they appear to be. I think that's what it is.
Now I'll give you a few scenarios. Can you think about it and give me a response? For example, if you see your neighbor's house and that smoke is coming out and then that it's on fire, what will you do?
I probably take help, call for help, or try to douse the fire. Or with water, sand or something.
So what is your immediate future plan next 1 month? Say, what do you want to do?
It's difficult, doctor. I just trying to get a job. I want to get a job next. That's my plan.
Sometime back I told you 3 words and told you to try and remember them, and that I may ask them again. Do you remember those 3 words?
I don't know. I'll try to remember. One is blue. It is. Sorry, I can't remember.
Was there a flower?
I think lotus was there. Lotus was there. It was some fruit or something, right? Apple.
Okay, so that concludes your test.
Okay.
Thank you for sharing with us. As I understand that over the last 6 months you have been facing a difficult time after you have lost your job, and because of it you will be feeling very sad, and you've been worrying about your future. Let's discuss this. We will get back to you, and let's see how best we can help you.
Yes, Dr.